Okay, hello level 9. This is your homework video for page number 59, question number 1 and 2 and 3 and 6. Okay, for at the beginning, let's remember that we know that density equal mass over volume. We can denote density with letter D, mass with letter M, and volume with letter V. Then we can say that D equal M over V, and we can use this triangle. So D equals M over V. So what if we don't need to calculate D, we need to calculate volume V? So we will divide mass by density, M divided by D, or if we need to calculate mass, so we will multiply D by V. So let's complete. For question number 1, aluminum has density of 2,900 kilogram per meter cube. A construction company needs 4 cubic meters of aluminum. Calculate the mass of the aluminum needed. So here, what is the information we get here? The first one, we get D equal to 2,900 kilogram per meter cube, and we get also that the volume is 4 cubic meter. Volume equal 4 meter cube. So now we need to calculate what? We need to calculate the mass. We said that mass, we can calculate it like equal D, or density, multiplied by volume. M equal D by V. So it's D equals what? Equal to 2,900 multiplied by 4. 4 by 0 equals 0, 4 by 0 equals 0, 4 by 9 36, carry up 1, it's 8 and 1 9. Okay, what about the unit? The unit here is meter cube. Make sure at the beginning that the unit is the same. Like here, look, he is using for area meter for volume meter cube here, and here meter cube, and the result also will be in meter cube. If it's centimeter cube, so here must be centimeter cube, and the result also will be in centimeter cube, and so on. Okay, so let's see question number 3. Okay, in question number 3, he said the approximate densities of 4 metals in gram per centimeter cubic. So the unit here is gram per centimeter cubic. Gram for mass and centimeter cubic for volume are given below, like aluminum, brass and copper and steel. So a cube of unknown metal, okay, a cube of unknown metal has side length of 5 centimeter. So I know the side length. Side length equal 5 centimeter. Okay, and I know also mass. Mass of the cube is 1.1 kilogram. Mass equal 1.1 kg. Okay, but if you remember up there in aluminum, it's 22.9 gram per centimeter cubic, and they said at the beginning in gram per centimeter cubic. So I need to convert this 1.1 kilogram into grams. So I will multiply with 1,000, it will be 1,100 grams. Okay, after that, I know the side length and I know the mass. I need to calculate the cube density, okay, to know this is which one of these. Okay, so to calculate density, we need mass divided by volume, right? Sorry, density, we need mass divided by volume. Okay, so I will write here equal mass divided by volume. For mass, I know it, it's 1,100. Okay, what about for volume? He gave me the side length, and the volume for cube equal L power 3, side length power 3, means it's 5 power 3 means 125 centimeter cubic. So I will add here 125. Use your calculator to calculate this one. So it's 1100 divided by 125. You will get 8.8. Of course, it's grams per. The second one in centimeter cube, so it's gram per centimeter cube. This is our result. So 8.8. This is for what? Yeah, exactly, for brass. So answer for question number A is brass. Okay, this is A. What about for B? Let's see. He said another cube made of steel. Another one is made of steel. Okay, this information, I know what? I know the density of steel. Density of steel equal 8.2 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. After that, has a mass of 4 kilogram. Also, mass equal 4.0 kg. I'll convert it into grams. That means I will multiply by 1000. It will be 4000 grams. I know density and mass, so I can calculate what? Even before I see what he needs, you can calculate the volume. So calculate it. Volume equals what? From up here, volume equal mass over density. So it's mass over density equal mass equal what? 4000 here divided by 8.2. That's mean 4000 divided by 8.2. Let's divide here. 4000 divided by 8.2. You will get this number 487.80. So 487.8 centimeter cube. Okay, this is the result for the volume. But here he asked me calculate the length of each side of the cube, of this cube. We know that the volume of the cube, here is a cube, we know its volume equal L bar 3, side length multiply itself 3 times. That means it's L bar 3. So this L bar 3, side length bar 3 equals this number 487.8. So how to calculate only one L? I will take the cubic root for 487.8. Let's take the cubic root of this number. I will get 7.87. So the result is 7.87 centimeter. But he said round your answer in to one decimal place. So here is the first decimal place. 7 will give anything to 8, yes. So it will be 7.9. Don't forget your unit. Centimeter. Okay, in the last one, question number 6. The formula linking pressure and force and surface area, and this in red, this is the unit. Like for pressure, it's N over M power 2. For force, it's N, means Newton. For area, it's M power 2. And the black letters for just letters for pressure, it's P, force, it's F, area, it's A. And we know that the rule P equal F, force over A, area. Here's our triangle, B, and here's A, and here's F. B equal F over A. So he said, a square-based box exerts a force of 160 Newton. Okay, so now I know the force, F. F equal 160 Newton. Okay, also pressure, I know the pressure. Pressure equal 1000 Newton per meter square. He said, calculate the length. I need to calculate the length in centimeter of each side. So at the beginning, I know F and B. F and B. So I need to calculate A. Even if he didn't ask, calculate it. You will use it, of course, to get what he is asking for. So A or area equals what? How to calculate A? It's F divided by B. F, force divided by pressure. So F equals what? F equals 160 divided by 1000. When you divide this, you will get 0.16. So this is the area. Okay, but the area, what is the shape of the base of this area? This is area of what? Area of square. And we know that square, in square all sides are equal. If this is L, so this is L, L, and L. And to get the area of square, its side length multiply itself, mean L multiply L or L bar 2. So this L bar 2 equal 0.16. If I need only one L, I'll take the square root of 0.16. So 1 L equal what? Equal 0.4. But this in meter, of course, because this one was in meter square, like here. I need to convert it into centimeter as he said, so I will multiply by 100, it will be 40 centimeter. Something else, I said to you before, if you remember, when you take the square root, you have to take the positive and negative in the answer. So here I have to write, for example, positive or negative 0.4. Here you can't do this, simply because it's length. There is no length with a negative. There is no length with negative sign, okay? Okay, thank you and see you inshallah in the next homework. Goodbye.